Hey traders, just thought I'd get out of the house for a minute and just reflect on my trading. So I've come down to the beach and I thought now is a good time to discuss some thoughts I've been having. You see, at the moment I'm going through a pretty nasty drawdown. I'm down about 13% on my account, maybe 15%. Since last night I had a losing trade. I've had around 7 losing trades in a row, which is, it's not rare, but it's certainly uncommon for my strategy. And, it's okay. I'm not bothered by it any more than I need to be in order to stay focused. And what do I mean by that? Well, no one likes to lose trades. We're in this business to make money, to win trades. But in order to win, we have to be good losers. We have to accept that losses are going to occur. We need to keep them as small as possible so that our winners can make up for them in the long run. And always remember, you have no control over the markets. All you can control is your reactions to the markets and the emotional stimulus that it invokes. But that's all the power you need. See, even though I'm down 15%, roughly speaking, on my account, I've made far more than that in the past during the good times. And so I know that if I just stay patient, stay focused, stay disciplined, I'll recover my drawdown and go on to new equity highs, just like the dozen times before this. This is just the same as night is today. You can't have good times all the time. Sometimes you're going to experience setbacks, and trading is a 2 steps forward, 1 step backwards game. And that's okay. It's how you handle that that determines the outcome and how successful you are in life, not just in trading. And so I just wanted to have a quick little talk about the importance of being unstuck. Now, I called my YouTube channel and my blog Zen and the Art of Trading for a reason. Zen is a philosophy of not being stuck on your thoughts. It's similar to Taoism in that it encourages you to get with the flow of life and not allow your thoughts and reflections on life to be mistaken for the reality. And I believe the same is true of trading. It's important not to get stuck on your losing trades. You need to let them come and let them go, just like your breath. Even profitable traders encounter challenges, losing streaks, drawdowns that affect their self-esteem, their confidence. The difference between a profitable trader and an unprofitable trader is that a profitable trader accepts this reality, this uncertainty, and trusts their system that they've tested over historical data and know is profitable. So last night when I had my 7th or 8th losing trade in a row, it stung a little bit. I was a little bit pissed off. I felt discouraged that I've put in all this work, I've been trading all year, and now I've encountered a losing streak that's put me underwater in terms of my equity curve. And that's okay. That's normal. It's okay to be frustrated. It's okay to be disappointed with your trading. In fact, if you're not disappointed at times with your trading, then I'd question your sanity. But it's important to let that feeling go. Focus on the next trade. Each trade is just one of 1,000 for the next 1,000 to come. And it's equally important to not get hung up on your losing trades as it is to not get overexcited about your winning trades. Good times are always ahead, but so are bad times. And the sooner you accept that reality and move on with your trading with a Zen-like approach, the sooner you will attain consistency both in your trading and your thinking and emotional reactions to your trading. And the easier it will become over time to take the blows, take the hits, and roll on with them anyway. Continue focusing on the next trade, improving your system, and not becoming undisciplined, unstuck, and confused, misguided, and fall victim to self-sabotage. So that's all I had to say today. Just wanted to point out that even traders who have gotten over the hump of blowing accounts, losing lots and lots of trades, losing lots of money, just because you stop losing lots of money doesn't mean that you're suddenly free of frustration and discouragement in your trading. The key is to let those feelings come and go, and then focus on what's next. The next trade, the next improvement you can make to your strategy. And yeah, if it gets too much, if you get too frustrated and you need a break, there's nothing wrong with getting out of the house, coming down to the beach or to a park or whatever, and just being still with your thoughts and just accepting the reality of the situation, accepting that there's nothing wrong with it. It's normal. It's normal to not feel great all the time, and that things will get better if you just stay disciplined, you stay consistent to your strategy, you trust yourself to do the right thing. Good luck with self-isolation. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit hard for some of you to get out of the house if you're struggling with your trading at the moment. But for those of you who are stuck inside, this too will pass, and soon you'll be back to your normal routine in life. Don't take this time for granted. It's a good time for meditation, to go inside, think about what you're doing, and remember why we do what we do. It's not just to make money. It's also to challenge ourselves, become better people, better traders, develop more self-control, more self-awareness. So good luck with your trading, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.
Krishnamurti says to people, now look, there is nothing you can do to be liberated, because all your efforts in the direction of liberation are phony. They are based on your desire to boost and continue your ego, and that will never lead to liberation. All you can do, he says, is to be aware of yourself as you are, without judgment. See what is. But then, if you can do that, you have no further problem.